Hi guys, and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have a positive and productive week this week. So this week I'll be sharing with you how I did a complete book makeover for Finale by Stephanie Garber. And here it is. If you have been on my TikTok, which is at Kingdom Book Designs, you will have seen this already, but we've got this beautiful playing card suit edges, and as you can see, all of the colours are shimmery and beautiful all the way around. And we've obviously got a gold top hat in the centre, and then on the front we've got these white swirls, the finale in gold, and all of these symbols. Now, a lot of you know that I love the Caraval series by Stephanie Garber. I have done several different designs, but I've never done a finale design before. This is actually a gift for my friend Hannah. Yes, we have the same name. Yes, we are both bookworms. But Hannah is amazing. She has the blog Book Life and Other Oddities, and she and I have been friends for ever since uni. So I did this for her as a little thank you gift, I suppose. So the inks I used on the edges are Golden Glitz, Black Shimmer, and Ruby Red. These can now all be found on my website, www.kingdombookdesigns.com, where I will be selling inks and brushes, as well as my books and my stencils and other things that I create as well. So if you want to buy the inks and the brushes, definitely head on over to kingdombookdesigns.com and check it out. And on the front of the book I used fabric paints as per normal. So without any more whittering from me, let's get into the time lapse. So this is the before. And here's the after. Okay, so let's take another look all the way around. Shimmery, beautiful goodness on the edges and then the front. I am so pleased with how this design turned out. I think it's beautiful and a real celebration of the book and just the culmination of the finale series. I cannot wait for her new book, Once Upon a Broken Heart, to come out. My gosh, I think the day that comes out, don't expect to hear from me for the 2 days after, because I will just be reading and then processing. But Stephanie Garber just has this way with words that just is absolute-tastic. So enough fangirling from me. So like I said, this design will also be up on Etsy and on my new website, Kingdom Book Designs. If you follow me on my Instagram, you'll have already seen the new logo for Kingdom Book Designs, which I'm super excited by. I just love what they came up with. It's fantastic. Thank you to everyone who's been on my Etsy, bought something from my Etsy, whether it's a stencil, whether it's an actual book. This has kind of just blown my mind. Like, I've got 5 orders that I need to fulfill just today. So everything is growing so quickly, and thank you so much to everyone who has supported me, because it's a dream, an actual dream come true. Next week you will probably see either a vlog video or you will see Forest of Souls or Shadow Scent. I've also got some stuff coming up for Star Daughter and lots of other books. I'm also planning on doing A Court of Silver Flames with a sprayed edge. So there is so much coming up, so make sure that if you like, you know, sprayed edges on books, if you like unique special edition books, that you hit the like button and the subscribe button and comment, because it really helps with the engagement and helps me reach new people, which in turn helps me make brand new book designs. Anyway, that's all from me this week. I hope you guys have positive and productive weeks, and I'll see you next time. Bye!